Looking for a DJ stand that combines durability, flexibility, and convenience? Look no further than the two-layer DJ stand. This stand features a top frame designed to hold your mixer, while the bottom rack offers ample space for your amps, equalizers, and microphones, creating a complete, organized setup. Need to adjust the angle of your gear? No problem. With easy-to-use spin knobs, you can set the top rack to the perfect angle, allowing for comfortable access to all your equipment. The heavy-duty metal construction, coated with anti-rust paint, ensures long-lasting durability and supports up to 220.50 pounds, making it ideal for even the heaviest gear. For added stability, the stand is equipped with 4 lockable wheels. Whether you're on stage or setting up in a new location, you can lock the wheels in place for maximum security during use. Assembly is quick and hassle-free, with pre-drilled holes and a simple structure that allows you to set it up in minutes. Say goodbye to cluttered setups and elevate your DJ performance with this sturdy, adjustable stand.